yeah, back at it. Switchback trading. Oh, good God, she's going up. She's running. Hold on. Jesus Christ, it's happening. Where's my fucking... Oh, I'm trying to place orders with a fucking marker on. You fucking... Take profit, take profit. Where do I take profit? Where do I stop loss? Yeah, I FOMO'd into this trade. It was terrible. Terrible. I just FOMO'd in. And look at that. Schmeg on the screen. Schmeg on the screen. Oh. I think that was like 30 seconds. 30 seconds, I think. Yeah. Okay. I guess we're done. I don't know what else to say. Yeah. Till the next one. Okay.